Hey everyone! If you love crispy Chinese takeout favorites, today I'm showing you how to make homemade Crab Rangoon, golden, crunchy wontons filled with a creamy, cheesy crab mixture. This easy Crab Rangoon recipe is perfect for snacks, appetizers, or entertaining. And before we start, if you enjoy easy, quick, and delicious recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps support my videos. Let's get started. These are the ingredients for the Crab Rangoon. Measurements are in the description box. In a food processor, add 4 ounces imitation crab meat, or you can use real crab meat if you like. Pulse several times, or you can just turn the food processor on until the crab reaches the desired consistency. You may have to stop halfway and clean the sides of the food processor. This is the consistency that I like. Add 5 to 5.5 ounces cream cheese. Three teaspoons sugar and 3/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 2 teaspoons sour cream and 1.5 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce. About 2 stalks of thinly sliced green onion. Thoroughly mix the ingredients. Put about 1.5 tablespoons of the mixture on a wonton wrapper. Brush or wet all sides of the wrapper with egg wash and fold. Watch how I fold and shape mine. You want to pinch the edges to make sure it is sealed and make sure there's no air pocket in the Crab Rangoon. You can shape your Crab Rangoon any way you want, but I feel like this shape holds the most mixture, making a very tasty and creamy Crab Rangoon. Then I push it down so it's flat at the bottom for easy frying. Fry in batches until golden brown and drain on paper towel. Serve warm with sweet chili sauce or wasabi aioli sauce. These are the ingredients for the wasabi aioli sauce. Measurements are in the description box. Combine 2 teaspoons wasabi paste, 2 teaspoons honey, and 1/4 cup mayo. Add some garlic powder. Add a little water to your desired consistency and mix thoroughly. Your Crab Rangoon is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.